Well, I'm walking on the street, it's been raining for a while, and it's pretty easy to get splashed. But, well, I would have got splashed if it didn't slow down. So it's kind of interesting if people actually splash you or not splash you as you're walking in the rain. Here comes one. I didn't get splashed. That was close though. So, anyways, I was hoping to get caught getting splashed on camera, but so far it's not working. Alright, here's a splash opportunity right up here. Here comes the truck. Let's see if it happens. Alright, so this is how you get splashed. Wait for the rain, wait for a big truck to come by. And it didn't splash me. I guess they're being nice because they know I'm walking on the sidewalk. So, almost got splashed on that one. Anyways, rock and roll. Yeah. You were just too nice. That's almost a splash.